Damn, baby. You gonna rip up my car like that? I'm sorry. I ain't care about her. I ain't care about her for real, for real. You know, I ain't really care about her, girl. I hate you, Fiat. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video show. Boy, Big Play Ray, man, coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. Special thanks to Copart, guys. We about to get right into it, man, but I need y'all to do a couple of things for me, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok and Instagram, in the link in the description below. And again, y'all already know, make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy and sell cars at the auction, you know what I'm saying, or learning how to properly inspect a car. I'm gonna show you everything I know on the website, man, so make sure y'all check it out. Check it out, man. So first things first, man, we still got this thing here. This thing been here for a minute, wide body Challenger. I know I've showed y'all here before, but those of you who are new to the channel, man, we got a wide body Challenger right here, man. Hellcat, actually, but you see what happens when you speed and go fast and drift and do all that stuff y'all be trying to do, man, with y'all cars, and y'all really can't control your cars. Disappointing that it doesn't have a sunroof, right? But it does have leather. It does have that SRT on the thing there, red gauges in there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see what's going on, man. Tore the car up, right? 2018 wide body, was a wide body. See, the wide body is gone on this side. Black hood, says bio, so it probably has some blood in the car. Ooh, what was that? There your hood latch. It looked like it hit the motor a little bit, so never know if the motor's still good or not. But again, wide body, man, was a wide body. Nice color car, Hellcat. Going on this side, wide body, wide body, wide body. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all think it was this dude's fault, man. But I just like to show y'all these, man, because I know a lot of people like these cars. They're getting, you know, they're like the most popular cars right now. The Charger, Challenger, Mopar is definitely winning. But I just want to show you guys what happened, man. If you get one of these, man, make sure you know what I'm saying, drive like you got some sense, man. So this won't happen to you. You feel me? Because this was a pretty bad accident, if I say so myself, guys. You know what I mean? So that's enough of that, guys. Let's go ahead and get right into the video, man. But yeah, let's get it. Slow down, dog. Just a little bit. Slow down. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while. And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, Hustle Nation. We got a Maserati truck with a little damage here. Well, I keep doing that. Maserati SUV, because a lot of y'all be getting butthurt and be crying and be like, oh, it's not a truck, it's an SUV. So SUV. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the damage is not that bad. Just this little part right here, and the bumper needs to be probably a whole new bumper. I don't think no Bondo could fix that, or could actually. You know what I'm saying? Never know how good people's skills are. So some Bondo actually may fix that. I don't know if it actually messed up the inside of here. Probably a little bit, not too much. It doesn't look like it hit too much right here. Definitely need another light. Black interior. It doesn't even have the year of this thing on here, unfortunately. That's locked. Damn, both of them are locked, and both of them are like halfway open. But we got the Maserati truck. It looks good though. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all like these or what. So that's it, really. Oh, and it's definitely low to the ground here. So we found a couple of things wrong with it. It's low. The wheel is tucked in there. Wheel is tucked in there. Might have air suspension on this thing, I'm not sure. But let's get on the inside of this thing. Ooh, got that nice red stitching, carbon fiber along the door. That's nice. That red go crazy in here, I think so, if I say so myself, with the Triton right here on the headrest. controls, little AC, USB charge and everything. Not double roof, but big roof. Not super big, but it's decent for the size. 64,000 miles on this one. We got some more stitching right here. Some more carbon fiber on the door. I like how they did with the red stitching. The red stitching is pretty cool, if I say so myself. It is a 2013. No, I'm sorry. 2017. I'm tripping. 2017 Maserati. I like the seats. Seats is decent. They just lines, but you know, the red makes it stand out. Definitely like the center console because it's all carbon fiber, which is cool. You see the button manual drive. Well, I think that's manual. I guess the drive and everything actually are on here. No power on this thing, but it looks pretty cool, man. What do y'all think? Y'all like Maserati trucks or what? Y'all let me know in the comments below how much y'all will give them for this thing, or do they want too much money for this brand, y'all think, to have a V6 and everything? Y'all know these got V6s and stuff. As a matter of fact, we can all look together. All look together, see what the motor looking like. Close that all the way. Bow, bow, bow. See, Maserati. Okay. Yep, V6, man. So not twin turbo or nothing. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all would y'all messing with Maserati, man. Me personally, I think they're a little, I think they was a luxury brand, but it's just wasn't enough. I think Maserati had their run. I like that. I think they had their run, but you know, it's, I don't know, some people still like them. Me personally, I don't really care for them that much. Got the bubble right here. I like the coupe though. The coupe is kind of nice. The coupe is straight. So again, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Let's go over here though, because wasn't paying attention, because I do not see these for sale anymore. So if y'all remember my video, I think it was like the last time I was here. I don't think I was here after that, but we wanted these. Remember these three? 1, 2, 3. I think the middle one was supposed to be the good one. I could actually look this number up and see if it's sold, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. But I'm pretty sure it's sold, man. I missed it, didn't even get the bid on it. It was a Impala. It's actually open, but you know, ex-police school Impala. I wanted this damn thing, but you know, it is what it is. Fortunately, didn't get it because I didn't realize that the car was, I missed the car, man. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I didn't bid on the car because I forgot all about this car. Y'all know I'm going to so many freaking different auctions that it'd just be ridiculous. This is not my first time completely forgetting to bid. Now, what I could have done was put the pre-bid on there, but man, I be doing so much stuff, man, I forgot. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But it had 100 and some thousand miles on it, 2009 or 10, I believe. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think that car was pretty good though, because you know, it was an ex-school car. You know, I know some of them people, what the hell, man, they done just keyed this person's car all the way up, bro. Like, damn, girl, you gonna do them like that? You gonna do them like that, baby? Y'all know I'm always blaming it on the girls doing stuff like this. You never know. But it might have not been. Oh, shit. God damn, bro. They was pissed the hell off. Whoever. They don't care. Damn. Damn, baby. You gonna rip up my car like that? Shit. I'm sorry. I ain't care about her. I ain't care about her for real, for real. You know, I ain't really care about her, girl. I promise you I ain't care about her. Damn. Baby, I promise you. It was nothing between us. Got the suede. This one nicer than the truck over there. The interior wise, I think. I don't know, I just like this. We know it ain't nicer because of this, but I don't know. Man, maybe I would take the black over this color. Nah, I think I like this color. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I was trying to up the hood, but it says missing engine. So I don't know what happened with this car, man. You see all the marks and stuff. You see there's no engine in there. Y'all see, yeah, there's nothing in there, y'all. Nothing in there, guys. So, but somebody definitely took some frustration out on this. Oh, snap. I hate you, biatch. Man, oh man, these girls, boy, I tell you, man. Oh my God, tearing this man car up, man. Oh my Lord, have mercy, boy. Y'all can see this junk is everywhere, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. But that is just terrible, man. Y'all gotta stop cheating on y'all girlfriends. Y'all gotta stop cheating on them girls, telling them girls lies and stuff like that, man. This is what happened to you when you tell your girl lies and all that, man. For real, man. Damn. Let's keep moving. All right, and some of the same stuff out here. This Audi is for sale. I know if y'all have seen this, so I'm not gonna go all the way over it. I personally don't even care for Audi, but they still got this red thing here. Audi A4, I think this is. This thing is still here, still hanging and dangling. All the badges are gone. They got the Pontiac G8 GTs out here, but they're totally stripped down. You know, y'all remember these. There's nothing really new out here, man. Both of these are like stripped down. They put them right by each other. Door going off this one, door smashed on this one. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing really going on in here, man. Yeah. Then they got this one. Nothing's in here either. So they pretty much don't got nothing in here, man. I'm not really seeing nothing. Still got that old school yellow thing there. Beetle. So, you know, engines or oh shit, I tried to lift the hood up and the hood was falling. So y'all see it though, man. So got some G8s, but they're totally stripped down. Other than that, I haven't really seen anything else new in here. So same old. Damn, they still got this here, man. So yeah, man, I'm super pissed that I missed that damn Impala. When I was coming here today, I was like, damn. I didn't even remember until like I got outside. I'm like, damn, I think it was an Impala here. So yeah, man, I missed the, damn. It's all good. Like I told y'all, you know what I'm saying? You can't win them all. Better luck next time. But that's it. There's nothing else in here, man. Everything's pretty much the same thing. I know this one, they haven't really been getting no inventory in, but man, again, appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. There's nothing else out here. Probably go to another location, but appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Man, I love y'all, Hustle Nation. Y'all don't know how much y'all, you know, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, tuning in and supporting me. And I greatly appreciate y'all support. I love y'all. So we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep growing. So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Don't get a living, man. Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com. I'm out. It's your boy Ray. Peace.